So it's currently about, I think it just said minus 22 Celsius outside. Feels like minus 29 or something with wind chill. Not really too bad here in the shop where it's, so I'm not sure if you can read that, but minus 3, still a little too cold. You know, it's not comfortable to work at this temperature. So today's project is this little Chinese diesel heater working and exhausting out of the garage. So it's 10 o'clock, minus 3 in the shop. The heater actually says it's minus 4.5. It's just firing up right now. You can hear it going through its fire up stage. Well, there is hot air coming out of it. The exhaust isn't getting too hot outside the door. So that's what it looks like and sounds like from the outside. Not terribly loud, and just puffing out some exhaust, right? On hour 3, and we are at 3 degrees in the garage. So it's just after 5. This heater's been running since 10 o'clock, pretty much non-stop. I just realized now that I can actually turn it up. So it's been running on low all day. And after 5, we are at 14 degrees, which is relatively comfortable in here. So